Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Maniology's Fairytale, MXM053, and Morning Mist. I've started off with Peeleze from IMK, and look at this, Fairytale from Maniology. Beautiful. It's a pink halo. It's a stamping polish, but I am using it as a regular polish today. It's going on very nicely, and I'm only going to use one coat. I know, I'm shocked. I am going to top this one with INM out the door and get this to dry down so that we can do some stamping, because we all know that's what I do. I'm a stamping junkie, and even if I do something else nail-like, I still feel the need to stamp on it. So there you have it. There's a swatch photo on its own, and here is MXM053 with the double blue wrapper on it this month. Seems like everybody's was double wrapped. I don't know what happened, but it's a little tricky. I'm going to clean that plate off with some acetone and wipe it with a paper towel. And we're going to get to playing. I'm going to be stamping with Morning Mist. These two polishes came in the box together, so I wanted to see them together. I've got my Beauty Scraper and my Monocle stamper out today. And I'm going to use a bunch of these little single images. Butterflies, beetles, what have yous. I just decided I wanted to play with them today, which really makes it nice because there's like no cleanup on the skin. Love it. So I'm going to leave this these polishes and plates out for a little bit and see if I can work them into other manicures using them, you know, in different ways. We'll see. I got so much sitting in my untried bucket, so that's what I'm going to be trying to work on. I'm going to go ahead and grab this beetle. I know a lot of people don't like bugs on their nails, but as long as they're in polish, I'm not bothered by them. Here we go, and I'm going to kind of turn this one a little bit. My nails are very short, and I just need everything to fit. So we're just bebopping along. This is going to be a real quick manicure because I'm just basic straight up stamping. I shouldn't have hardly any cleanup really to do. I'm going to turn that little B2. How cute. But I really do love these plates. I liked this box a lot. I am going to try to work in some more manicures using other, you know, backgrounds and just play with it some more. And that's like a side profile of a butterfly wing. Might could have landed it a little better. I'm going to clean this plate off with pure acetone. Wipe it with a paper towel before I set it to the side. I want it to be clean for next time. And I'm going to top this one with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. I really liked how this went together. These look really good to me. I am going to finish this manicure off with some Poshe top coat. Seal it all in. Glossy, nice top coat. Love it. So that is my manicure. I hope you enjoyed this one. I do have a swatch photo right here. And that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon.